In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Wise app. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. The Wise app is an excellent tool for managing your finances, especially if you're dealing with multiple currencies. Whether you're sending money abroad or simply looking to manage your expenses better, this app has you covered. So, let's go through the process of downloading it step by step. First, grab your smartphone. You can use either an iPhone or an Android device, as the Wise app is available on both platforms. If you're using an iPhone, locate and open the App Store. If you're on an Android device, you should go to the Google Play Store. This is where you can get all the apps you need. Once you've opened your respective app store, look for the search icon. On iPhones, it's usually at the bottom of the screen, while on Androids, it might be at the top. Tap on that search icon, and you'll see a search bar pop up. Now type in Wise and hit search. You should see a list of applications come up. The Wise app, often marked with a distinct logo, should be among the top results. It's important to make sure that you're selecting the official Wise app to ensure you have a safe and secure app. If you see it, go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be taken to a page with additional details about the app, including its features, user ratings, and reviews. Near the top of the screen, there should be a button that says Download or Install. Go ahead and click that button. Depending on your internet connection speed, it might take a few seconds or up to a couple of minutes for the app to download and install. Once the app has finished downloading, the button will change to Open. Go ahead and tap on that. Now that you've got the Wise app open, you'll be presented with two main options: creating a new account or logging in if you already have an existing account. If you're brand new to Wise, let's start by creating a new account. Look for the Create New Account option and click on it. You'll need to enter some basic information, including your email address. Make sure this is the email you check regularly, as Wise may send you confirmation emails and updates. After that, you'll be prompted to create a password. Choose something secure but also something that you can remember easily. Once you've filled in all required fields, follow the instructions to verify your email. Check your email inbox and look for a confirmation message from Wise. Click the link in that email to verify your account. This step is critical, as it helps keep your account secure. If you already have an account, then all you need to do is click on the Login option, enter your email and password, and you should be all set. If you've forgotten your password, there will be an option to reset it. After you've logged in or created your account, you'll be guided through some initial setup steps. This may include providing personal details and linking your bank account or card for transactions. It's straightforward, and the app will guide you through each step. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded the Wise app and set up your account. Now you can start managing your finances, sending money internationally, and exploring all the features this app has to offer. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial on how to download the Wise app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more guides and tips. Happy banking, and I'll see you in the next video.